Ready to redefine your style without the fuss of bangs? Discover hairstyles that effortlessly frame your face and keep you chic and confident every day. The bob without bangs is an elegant choice that effortlessly highlights your facial features. The short pixie cut offers a chic style with minimal maintenance. The shoulder-length wedge cut provides volume with a sleek, unbulky finish. The long, blunt cut presents a refined and polished look that commands attention. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.